discuss about elimination reactions. Elimination reactions. So that meaning elimination reaction means removal of atom from reactant or substrate. Best examples: dehydrohalogenation, hydrogen, halogen eliminated. Next, dehydration, water eliminated. Okay. Generally, these elimination reactions takes place in presence of strong base, like alcoholic KOH or NaOH. In this elimination process, reactant to product, single bond converts to the double bond. In elimination process, reactant to product, single bond converts to the double bond. Single bond converts to the double bond. Okay. Types of elimination reactions. Like substitution reactions, elimination reactions also two types: unimolecular elimination and bimolecular elimination. E1 unimolecular, next E2 bimolecular elimination reaction, E1 and E2. Okay, one by one we have to discuss unimolecular and bimolecular. For example, CH3 2-chloropropane undergoing to elimination in presence of, otherwise we take tertiary compound, means you understand E1 now. Okay, one by one we discuss. E1 first, unimolecular. E1 unimolecular. For example, CH3 Cl, same compound. Tertiary haloalkane. In presence of strong base. Yes, base only change amma. Substitution means aqueous KOH. Here ALK means alcoholic KOH. This is strong base. What product formation? First mechanism C. In first step 1. Halogen group eliminated. That means electronegative atom eliminated. Okay, chlorine is eliminated. This is the slow step or rate determination step. CH3 same. SN1 also living group eliminated now. Here also like that only eliminated. Carbocation formation. In SN1, aqueous KOH attack on the carbocation, weak base. That's why OH minus attack on the carbocation. But here we have to use strong base like alcoholic KOH. carbon sum. Adjacent carbons. That means beta. This is beta. This is beta. Adjacent carbons containing hydrogen. Adjacent carbon containing hydrogens. Any hydrogen electrons. Any hydrogen electrons give to the carbocation. Okay, that's why beta carbon, adjacent carbon, CH3, CH3, double bond CH3. Okay, this is 2-methyl propene. That means nothing but alkene formation. Here reactant having single bond, product having double bond. Single bond converts to double bond. So base removal of proton step is called fast step. So here two steps is there. First step, halogen eliminated. Second step, base removal of proton. Proton electron donated to carbocation to formation of double bond. This hydrogen and chlorine HCl in the form of HCl eliminated. Okay. So here first step, slow step. This is also called rate determination step. Halogen eliminated, carbocation formation. In second step, strong base removal of proton. Okay, proton electrons donate to the carbocation, alkene formation. Understand now? This is the mechanism for E1. In slow step or RDS step, only substrate involving now. That's why rate only depend on one molecule. That's why it is called unimolecular reaction. Understand? Here. So E1 reaction involves in two steps. First step, halogen eliminated, carbocation formation. Second step, removal of proton by strong base. Product is alkene. Understand now? Right. So in E1 reaction, rate depend on only concentration of reactant. Concentration of reactant. That's why it is called unimolecular reaction. Unimolecular reaction. Okay, E1 reaction. In dehydrohalogenation reactivity. Dehydrohalogenation reactivity. Tertiary haloalkanes greater than secondary haloalkanes greater than primary. Okay, so this is about the unimolecular elimination reaction. Next, E2. Bimolecular elimination reaction. E2. Bimolecular elimination reaction. Okay, for dehydrohalogenation, bimolecular elimination reaction generally takes place in primary haloalkanes and secondary haloalkanes. Okay, for example, we take CH3, CHCl, CH3, CH3, CH3. Okay, in this case, in presence of alcoholic KOH, what product? Obtain. Mechanism CMR. Mechanism CH3, CHCl, CH2H. You write like that. CH2H. Okay. For this, with respect to this carbon, this is adjacent carbon. This is adjacent carbon. Beta carbon. Both are beta carbons. Right. In first step, okay, E2 reaction takes place in single step. E2 reaction takes place in single step. Halogen eliminated. That means here chlorine we taking. Halogen eliminated, either side carbon containing same hydrogen summa. That's why any hydrogen giving. Hydrogen electron donating or removal of proton takes place simultaneously. In single step only, halogen elimination, proton electrons donating adjacent beta proton electron donating simultaneously takes place. Here HCl eliminated. This step only, slow step or RDS. So here CH3, any proton, whether this proton or this proton, CH3, CH double bond, CH2. This is the alkene. 1 propene. Okay. So here slope step or rate determination step. Here how can this proton eliminated in presence of strong base only, alcoholic KOH. Strong base only, removal of proton. That's why in E2, in slow step only, strong base and reactant both involving. Understand now? Because here halogen elimination and proton removing. How does proton remove? By strong base. Strong base only can remove proton. Okay? In single step takes place, simultaneously takes place. Okay? That's why your rate depends on both reactant and strong base. That's why this is called bimolecular reaction. This is called bimolecular reaction. Okay, now next one. Okay, here carbon either side beta carbons containing same number of hydrogens. That's why any hydrogen elimination no problem. But for suppose another example, CH3, CH2, CHCl, CH3. Okay, in presence of strong base, alcoholic KOH, what product formation? Okay, now CH3 primary amount. This is secondary. CH2, CHCl, CH3. Okay, in this case, first halogen is eliminated. We are assuming. Okay, halogen eliminated. That means chlorine eliminated, dehalogenation, CH3, CH2, CH plus and CH3. Okay. Next step, this carbocation either side 2 beta carbons is there. Either side beta carbons is there. One beta carbon having 2 hydrogens, one beta carbon having 3 hydrogens. Okay, that leaves that. First of all, here 2 types of products formation. For example, this beta hydrogen electron donated to carbocation means this product formation CH3, CH double bond, CH, CH3, 2 butane formation. For suppose, okay, for example, this is A carbon, this is B carbon, you assuming. If A carbon proton donates means 2 butane formation. If B carbon here proton donates means we get product CH3, CH2, CH double bond, CH2. Here 2 butane formation. Here 1 butane formation. Okay now. So 2 butane and 1 butane are the different products. Okay, different products. Here now again struggle start. which has the major product and stable product. Okay, so that's why here we follows one rule. That rule is Sage-Jobs rule. Sage-Jobs rule. When this situation coming, we have to follow Sage-Jobs rule. According to Sage-Jobs rule, which beta carbon containing less hydrogens, okay, that hydrogen only electrons donated to the carbocation to formation of double bond. Understand now? That's why according to Sage-Jobs rule, this product is major. 2-butene is major, 1-butene is minor. Okay, what is the reason? Amma? Here, left side beta carbon having only 2 hydrogen, right side 3 hydrogens. Okay, according to Sage-Jobs rule, which beta carbon has containing less number of hydrogen atoms, that hydrogen only electrons donated to the carbocation to formation of double bond. Okay, that is the Sage-Jobs rule. According to Sage-Jobs rule, major product is this is. That's why here I write major product. Two types of products possibilities there. One is major, one is minor. So CH3, CH double bond CH, CH3. This is only major product. Understand? So we have to follow Sage-Jobs rule. Okay. So whenever unsymmetrical, here write one line. Sage-Jobs rule. Sage-Jobs rule. Sage-Jobs rule. In elimination process, whenever either side of carbocation okay, in bracket that adjacent carbons are called beta carbons. Adjacent carbons are called beta carbons. Okay, adjacent to carbocation, beta carbons. So in elimination process, whenever either side of carbocation, okay, two different hydrogen containing beta carbons is there. Hydrogen containing beta carbons is there. Okay, which beta carbon having which beta carbon having less hydrogens are containing having less hydrogens, that only electrons donate to the carbocation, while to form alkene. Is called Sage-Jobs rule. Okay, Sage-Jobs rule is very important, Amma, in elimination process, whether dehydrohalogenation or dehydration, elimination of water also, Sage-Jobs rule we should following. According to Sage-Jobs rule, beta carbons, either side of carbocation is called beta carbons. So If both beta carbons containing different hydrogens means which beta carbon containing less hydrogen atoms, that hydrogen only electrons donated to the carbocation to form alkene. That is called Saint-George's rule. Okay. Next, another one example of neopentyl chloride. Neopentyl chloride. Okay, in presence of strong base alcoholic KOH, what product formation? Mechanism CMA CH3 CH2 Cl. In first step what happening? Amma? Here first step chlorine is eliminated. That means your formation CH3 CH2 plus. This is primary carbocation. Then this is beta carbon. This beta carbon does not have a protons. That's why here what happening? Alkyl group migration. This methyl group migrated. Methyl group migration. CH3 C plus CH2 CH3 now CH3. Okay, now this is beta carbon, this is also beta carbon, adjacent carbons only now. So all are 3 beta carbons having. So according to Saint-George's rule, this carbon containing less hydrogens. That's why this hydrogen, this hydrogen shifted to this carbocation. Okay now. So this carbocation is tertiary. Just you write here. Tertiary carbocation. So according to Saint-George's rule, this hydrogen shifted to here. So what formation? CH3 double bond CH3. This is the product. Okay, this is the product. Like that. Okay, if like these questions coming means first primary carbocation formation. Primary carbocation unstable, one reason. Second reason, here no beta hydrogens. That's why methyl group shift here tertiary carbocation formation. This tertiary carbocation either sides 3 beta carbons is there, but according to Saint-George's rule, which has containing less number of hydrogen, that hydrogen shift on the carbocation. So here product formation. That's why product CH3 double bond CH3. Okay, alkene formation. So 2-methyl 2-butane formation. 2-methyl 2-butane formation. Alkene product formation. Okay, these are the examples for elimination reaction. While elimination reaction going on, you should see stability of carbocation also. While discussion time, we have discussed some reactions. Okay, so for example, secondary carbocation formation in any reaction. Beside possible to tertiary carbocation formation means immediately hydrogen or methyl group shifted towards the secondary carbocation, tertiary carbocation formation. After that only reaction going on. So stability of carbocation also very important. Okay, this is about the elimination reaction. Elimination reaction. So dehydration of alcohols also belongs to elimination reaction. It takes place in presence of concentration of H2SO4. That reaction will discuss in alcohols chapter. Okay students, thank you.